Thanks for showing your interest. This is our Q&A sessions on our last webinar, Want to Visualize and Define Organization Structure. Juhi and I are delighted with your participation on it, and this is really something amazing for us. And we would love to contribute more if you people like it. Honestly speaking, that was our first experience, and we didn't know how to come online. But you people joined us live and supported us and motivated us. So now with the same purpose, we would come up with this session called Q&A on our last webinar called Want to Visualize and Define Organization Structure. So let's begin. I'm going to ask series of questions to Juhi, who is our experts, and we'll see how how organization dealing with list of questions. Yes, Juhi.
Okay, thank you Devendra for having me here. I totally agree that audience has really supported us, and their support has been amazing. I would definitely like to contribute whenever I get a chance to share my expertise. So we can really start with the series which you have in your mind.
That's great. Here are the questions I have. So the first question is, what are the important mode of organization structure?
So there are two important modes of organization, which is centralized and decentralization. The centralization is an formal authority set for making important decisions. Say for example, we can consider is army. Army follows centralization process where the important decisions are being made by superiors.
Okay.
Where decentralization is a mode where the important decision is left over the lower authority.
Right.
For example, tech startups, where a senior developer can take a call, where even project manager or team leader can take the call whenever is required. So this is the difference between the centralization and decentralization.
Okay. Great. So here I would like to add something over here. So when you centralize your system, that means your all functions working together as a team in the organization with the help of technology and with the help of heads and managers, right? And that will definitely help you a lot when you are decentralizing the organization. Okay? So that is okay. So coming up with the next question, which is how many types of organization structure exist? Right?
There are mainly there are 4 types of organization structure that are commonly used and implemented in the organization nowadays. Those are functional organization structure. Second is divisional and multi-divisional. Third is flat hierarchy, where its flat hierarchy is being set. And the fourth is matrix,
okay,
where different metrics are set and the hierarchy will report accordingly.
Right.
So these are the 4 main types.
Great. And it totally depends on the organization, like
yes,
how organization is functioning,
yes,
how organization is there in the market,
yes,
what products or what services they are
dealing
with. So that is completely based on it. Okay, so coming up with the next question, which is what are the core benefits of setting up the organization structure?
Okay, so setting up an organization will help you to define hierarchy. It will also help you to set the salary grades of each position. At the same time, it will make your operation more effective and efficient.
Right.
So operation will become smooth with the same, because the roles are set, the responsibilities are being divided,
right,
the hierarchy is being set. So people have a clear understanding over it that what is my role, whom I need to report, and whom I am working.
Great, Juhi. This is really important. If you are running your organization and you don't know which role you have decided for which responsibility which you want to give to your employee, then it's very difficult to manage it, right? Because at the end you must know that the person which you have appointed has clear defined responsibility with this job description and all, as Juhi suggested. So that's great, Juhi. So coming up with the next question, which is how to select the best organization structure.
Now, this is a quite tricky question. There are many options where we need to focus on, but the 3 important part where we can choose the best one for our organization is the 3 main aspects where we organizations should focus while selecting an organization structure at, where the which type of industry the company fits into, the size of the company, and the goals. Majorly, the company goals are.
Right.
So we should make sure that our organization structure should be aligned with these three parts.
Okay.
And once you choose the organization structure for yourself, and if it's not working out, you can definitely switch to the other organization structure as well.
So what are these three parts?
So the first is which type of industry your company fits into.
Okay.
What is the company size?
Okay.
And the third is what is the company vision and goals.
That is different.
Yes.
Amazing. Okay, so which tools help design the organogram?
To be honest, Devendra, there are many tools available in the market as well as templates.
Okay.
So you can choose any of the templates according to your hierarchy and structure. But at the same time, if you want to plan or if you want to design by yourself, then you can use the simple tools like Canva. You can also use PowerPoints, Google Slides, etc. for making a perfect organogram for your organization.
Okay, great. And so coming up with the next question, which is nowadays remote culture is developing.
Yeah.
And this is really
Important.
an important question. So how to build a remote-friendly organization structure?
Okay, so now remote-friendly organization, setting up a remote-friendly organization structure will help you to provide a clear process, and you need to develop a hierarchy where each role can see that where they exactly are contributing to the company's goal.
Okay.
So we need to set a hierarchy accordingly where each of the position knows that what is my role and what my roles contribute to the company's vision and mission.
Okay.
So this will help the employee to motivate themselves, and they'll produce high efficient work.
Right.
Which will ultimately help the organization to grow.
Okay. So I guess the way you showing these things, this will definitely work. But what is your opinion on organizations should go remotely or should go office culture?
Either will work. Remotely is also fine when things are in place.
Okay.
When organization structure is in place, on-site and off-site doesn't matter.
Okay.
Because generally people think that remotely productivity is very less.
Right.
But when the roles knows that what are their responsibilities, how crucial their role is to the organization growth, then they will definitely produce that amount of work.
Great. Okay, that's great. So why are job description helpful?
Job description are helpful in many ways. They clearly define the hierarchy first of all.
Yes.
They show the roles and responsibility for each position.
Right.
And they also helps across. It is helpful across the department where every department knows that where each department is contributing towards the company's goal.
Right.
It will also help the employees to set a higher goals for themselves. Like they'll get a chance to promote. They'll see where I can promote myself to next position.
Right.
So next is also it will also help to promote performance management systems.
Right.
It will help you to improve the performance management as well.
Yes.
So these are the few of the important points where company can get benefits if they are setting up this.
Right. Okay. So relevant to this, how to write effectively a job description?
Okay, so effectively job description is like nowadays people know that they only mention the company's name directly. They mention the role they are looking for and the responsibilities and the skill set.
Right.
But foremost thing is the candidate should know the basic history.
Right.
Of the company. Like if a candidate should know what is the vision and goal
Right.
of the company. According to that, the position is being created. So if candidate is going through the job description,
Okay.
they should know that this is the company's vision. According to that, this is my role. So first of all, the important element should be company's vision, mission should be mentioned. The second thing, company should make sure that role summary should be there. Then comes the role responsibilities. Then what is my basic responsibility? Whom I am supposed to report? Which other department and other functions where I need to coordinate with during my work journey. Then they can say that these are the required skills or must-have skills, and accordingly, last will be the location.
Right.
And the time also should be mentioned, like what is the last of the date of the application. Well, people are not focusing on that.
Okay.
They keep it, the position are posted on the social media websites or any other job posting websites,
Right.
and then once it is closed, they never close the
Yeah.
so
It happens sometimes.
yes. So it's very difficult for candidate to know that whether the position is open or not.
Right.
So these are the minor things the organization should focus on.
Yeah. Because sometimes what happens, organization need people, so they posted there everywhere.
Yes.
But then they didn't close it, and
Yes.
everyone is connecting with the same people, like
Yes.
if there is an open position and all. So that's crucial for the organization to manage.
Yes.
Okay, so coming up to this, so is there any standard to defining the JD, like templates or something, which can help our viewers
Sure.
defining the JD?
So there are three important points by making the JD. I would suggest this. The first is the particular person who is making JD,
Okay.
they should make a thorough job analysis of before making it. Then there should be a job role summary, where a job summary where why this position is being created. Then there should be a role summary, that what exactly the person is supposed to do when if or he or she is applying for the
Right.
particular job post. And then comes the the conclusion part,
Right.
where they will be getting the compensation and other details related to this post.
Definitely. Right.
And even we should mention, nowadays the important part is also to mention off-site or on-site, or is this a remote or permanently remote, or this is a hybrid job where at sometimes the candidate need to visit the office premises,
Right.
or they should work from there also. So
Good.
this is also an important part.
Amazing. So yeah, thanks Juhi for these informative Q&A sessions, and this is really amazing. I hope our viewers like it. So we are soon coming up with the next webinar, which is our want to transform your organization. So that's it. Yes, Juhi.
Thank you, Devendra, for having me here, and I would be really grateful that you provided me this opportunity, and I'm looking forward for conducting more sessions like this. Thank
Yeah.
you.
So thank you viewers for joining us on this, and we wait for you to join us on another webinar. Want to transform your organization.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.